I'm about to share with you how to erase Sharpie off a whiteboard. Next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl. I'm Batman Stringer, and I just thought to do this quick video because I always talk about using a whiteboard when I talk about making money online and planning stuff out. I always refer to this whiteboard, right? But so I accidentally one day, because I'm always using the actual dry eraser. I'm mixing them up now. Here's the dry eraser marker you use for the whiteboard, and I always use a Sharpie when I'm writing like notes and everything, and like video titles and stuff like that, right? So one day, which is not hard to believe, I wrote on the whiteboard with actual Sharpie instead of this marker, right? So I looked up real quick how to get rid of it, and I seen a couple of solutions, but this is the best one I seen. This is the first one I use, and it's simply using this right here, guys, rubbing alcohol. So I'm gonna actually demonstrate how this works coming up. So this right here is the actual erasable marker I got going on right here. They're little things I gotta do. So what I'm gonna do is actually write on this with a Sharpie, and then I'm about to switch this camera around. Check this out. All right. Here's some space. I don't know why I said all right, but whatever. So got the Sharpie. Here I got right here Sharpie. So what I'm gonna do is just write something. Boom, boom, boom. Right? So that's messed up. So normally, had to put the cap on. This one hand stuff sucks. So normally I'm like, all right, got that. Boom. Went to erase it with my little rag. Boom. Nothing. What? Nothing. Bang. Right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I got like a little t-shirt or something, right? So I'm going to take that. All right, hold on one second. All I'm going to do, man, this one hand stuff is garbage. All right, hold on one second. I'm going to take this real quick. All right, so literally all I did was take some alcohol, put it on the tip of this. So check this out. Nice little circles just like that. This is just rubbing alcohol, guys. Check it out. Not bad. You know what I'm saying? So I try to be careful though now. You know, I try to keep the Sharpies and these erasable markers. I try to keep them separate, but you know how it is. But you see, it's pretty good. Like 99% going. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is how you can erase Sharpie off a whiteboard. I looked that up on Google, found it, and I was like, you know what? This could help out a lot of people. You know what I mean? Especially people like me who was like kind of disappointed, man, myself, for writing on this with a Sharpie. I left that on there, believe it or not, for like 2 months. Because once I realized like I wouldn't erase, I just was always writing around, you know, where I had the Sharpie at. But all you need is some alcohol. You've seen it, you know, with your own eyes. So that's how you can handle that. Hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, because I'm always bringing that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1. If you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2. If you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.